What secrets lie hidden within the depths of your kitchen drawer? We often overlook the ordinary, assuming we know all there is to know about the mundane objects that surround us. But what if those objects held hidden depths, a world of potential waiting to be unlocked? Consider the humble box of baking soda, an unassuming staple in many pantries. Its white powder seems simple, straightforward. We use it in baking, perhaps to deodorize a refrigerator. But beneath this veneer of ordinariness lies a substance of surprising versatility, its history intertwined with ancient civilizations and modern marvels alike. Join us as we delve into the unexpected world of common household items, uncovering their hidden histories, surprising applications, and the science that makes them tick. Prepare to be amazed by the extraordinary secrets lurking within the ordinary. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a chemical compound with the formula NaHCO3. This seemingly simple substance possesses a unique chemical structure that grants it remarkable versatility. Its primary function in baking relies on its ability to release carbon dioxide gas when heated, causing dough to rise. However, baking soda's talents extend far beyond the realm of cakes and cookies. Its alkaline nature makes it an effective cleaning agent, capable of neutralizing odors and cutting through grease. A sprinkle of baking soda in your laundry can brighten whites and soften fabrics. Its mild abrasiveness makes it ideal for scrubbing surfaces without scratching. From soothing heartburn to relieving itchy bug bites, baking soda's medicinal properties have been recognized for centuries. Its ability to neutralize acids makes it a natural antacid, while its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce swelling and irritation. Baking soda's history stretches back millennia. Ancient Egyptians utilized a naturally occurring form of sodium bicarbonate known as natron in their mummification rituals. Natron's ability to absorb moisture and inhibit bacterial growth made it essential for preserving the bodies of the deceased. During the Middle Ages, baking soda found use in glassmaking and tanning. Its alkaline properties aided in the production of clear glass and the softening of animal hides. By the 18th century, baking soda emerged as a popular leavening agent in baking, replacing yeast in many recipes. Today, baking soda remains a staple in homes and industries worldwide. Its applications continue to expand as scientists uncover new and innovative uses for this versatile compound. From its ancient origins in mummification to its modern role in medicine and beyond, baking soda's journey through history is a testament to its enduring utility. Vinegar, another ubiquitous kitchen resident, often finds itself relegated to salad dressings and marinades. Yet this acidic liquid harbors a wealth of hidden talents, its pungent aroma masking a surprising versatility. Derived from the French phrase vinaigre, meaning sour wine, vinegar's history is deeply intertwined with fermentation and preservation. Beyond its culinary uses, vinegar's acidic nature makes it an effective cleaning agent. It can dissolve mineral deposits, cut through grease, and remove stubborn stains. A solution of vinegar and water can clean windows to a streak-free shine, while its deodorizing properties make it ideal for freshening up musty spaces. Vinegar's medicinal properties have also been recognized for centuries. It can be used topically to soothe sunburn and insect bites, while its antibacterial properties make it useful for cleaning minor wounds. Some even tout vinegar as a natural remedy for various ailments, though scientific evidence to support these claims is often lacking. Section 5. The science of sour vinegar's chemical prowess. Vinegar's sour taste and pungent aroma stem from acetic acid. This weak acid forms through the fermentation of ethanol. Sugars convert to alcohol by yeast, then to acetic acid by bacteria. Its acidity dissolves mineral deposits and breaks down grease. Vinegar inhibits bacteria and mold, making it a great cleaner. Section 6. Ancient remedies and modern marvels. Vinegar's enduring legacy. Vinegar's history is as rich and varied as its uses. Ancient civilizations utilized vinegar for a myriad of purposes, from preserving food to treating wounds. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, reportedly used vinegar as an antiseptic and prescribed it for various ailments. During the Black Death pandemic in the Middle Ages, vinegar was believed to ward off the plague. While its efficacy against the plague is debatable, vinegar's antibacterial properties likely offered some protection against other infectious diseases. Today, vinegar's legacy continues to thrive. Its culinary uses have expanded beyond simple salad dressings to include pickling, marinating, and even creating innovative molecular gastronomy creations. Vinegar's cleaning and medicinal properties remain relevant, offering natural alternatives to harsh chemicals and pharmaceuticals. From ancient remedies to modern marvels, vinegar's enduring legacy speaks to its remarkable versatility. Section 7. Duct tape, the handyman's hero. Duct tape, the ubiquitous silver tape found in toolboxes and workshops worldwide, has become synonymous with quick fixes and DIY repairs. Its strong adhesive and durable fabric backing make it a go-to solution for a myriad of household mishaps, from patching leaky pipes to securing loose objects. But duct tape's capabilities extend far beyond its intended purpose. Its versatility has made it a staple in countless industries, from construction and automotive repair to aerospace engineering and even medicine. Its ability to bond to various surfaces, withstand extreme temperatures, and resist moisture makes it an invaluable tool in countless applications. From its humble beginnings as a wartime innovation to its current status as a household essential, duct tape has earned its reputation as the ultimate problem solver. Its seemingly endless applications have inspired countless stories of ingenuity and resourcefulness, cementing its place in popular culture as a symbol of human inventiveness. Section 8. Beyond repairs. Duct tape's surprising applications. While duct tape's prowess in repairs is undeniable, its true versatility shines through in its more unconventional applications. In the world of entertainment, duct tape has found a surprising niche as a stagehand's secret weapon, used to secure props, mark stage positions, and even create temporary costumes. Athletes have also embraced duct tape's versatility, using it to support injured muscles, provide extra grip on sports equipment, and even create makeshift bandages in a pinch. Its waterproof nature and strong adhesive make it an ideal solution for athletes battling the elements or dealing with unexpected gear malfunctions. Duct tape's strength and durability have even caught the attention of artists and crafters. From wallets and handbags to sculptures and even clothing, duct tape's versatility as a material knows no bounds. Its vibrant colors and unique texture have inspired countless creative expressions, proving that even the most utilitarian objects can become tools for artistic exploration. Section 9. From wartime wonder to everyday essential, the evolution of duct tape. Duct tape's origins trace back to World War II, developed as a waterproof sealant for ammunition cases. Its strong adhesive and durable fabric backing kept moisture and dirt out of military supplies. After the war, its versatility became apparent in civilian life. It bonded to various surfaces, making it valuable for repairs and construction. Over the decades, new colors, patterns, and adhesive strengths emerged. Despite advancements, its core functionality remains unchanged, a reliable, versatile solution. Section 10. Unlocking the everyday, a world of hidden potential. As we've explored the hidden depths of baking soda, vinegar, and duct tape, we've only scratched the surface of the extraordinary potential lurking within the ordinary. Countless other household items possess hidden talents, waiting to be discovered and utilized. The aluminum foil that preserves our leftovers can also sharpen scissors and boost Wi-Fi signals. The humble bar of soap that cleans our hands can also lubricate squeaky drawers and prevent deer from damaging gardens. Even the toothpaste we use to brighten our smiles can polish silver and remove scuffs from shoes. By embracing curiosity and challenging our assumptions about the mundane, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. The next time you reach for a familiar object, take a moment to consider its hidden potential. You might be surprised by what you discover. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace curiosity and discover the extraordinary. The world around us is brimming with hidden wonders, even within the most commonplace objects. By embracing curiosity and venturing beyond the familiar, we unlock a world of unexpected possibilities. Baking soda transforms from a simple baking ingredient into a versatile cleaning agent, medical marvel, and historical artifact. Vinegar transcends its role as a salad dressing, revealing its potent cleaning power and ancient medicinal heritage. Duct tape, the ultimate problem solver, transcends its utilitarian origins to become an artistic medium and a symbol of human ingenuity. Let these examples serve as a reminder that the ordinary often holds extraordinary potential. So, the next time you encounter a seemingly mundane object, Take a moment to ponder its hidden depths. What secrets might it hold? What unexpected uses might it possess? Embrace curiosity, challenge your assumptions, and discover the extraordinary within the everyday.